Next pose, we're taking out the KOVOL charging mate with 65 watt charging, and this is an ideal kit for traveling with dual USB-C charging, and overall a nice little piece of kit, and it's compact, efficient, and it's got superior heat transfer, and it's got 65 watt charging built in. So this is it here. We're going to take an unboxing now and have a quicker look and show you what it's all about. Hello Jim, TechBud's new product. This is the KOVOL Charging Mate, which is a 65 watt charging brick, which you can connect to your desktop and so on with 4 extra ports. On the back, it'll tell you you've got 1x KOVOL desktop charger, 1x AC input cable, 1x thank you card, and 1x user guide. That's really it in the box, so let's have a look at it. Then we'll take it away, set it up, and show you what it looks like. So this is what we've got inside. And you've got your thank you card and user guide, your power cable, and of course the product itself. And there we go. So it's a nice square block. On the bottom there you can see you've got your ports and you have got KOVOL branding here, and that's pretty much it. Your power input in the back there, and that's it with more KOVOL branding here. So let's power it in, plug it up, and see what happens after that. Hello, it's Jim back with TechBud, and we're back with the KOVOL power charging. And you can see here that you've got the 3 LEDs in the bottom. So basically you've got 2 ports either side, USB-C and USB-A. Total lots of 65 outputs. You have 2 USB-C power and you have 2 USB-A, and you can simultaneously charge 4 devices in one go, which is pretty handy. So you've got 18 watt quick charge 3.0, intelligent power allocation, and multiple protection features built inside. So you can charge a device with a compatible smartphone, say, for 80% in 35 minutes, which is pretty good. And you can be surely left safe that your devices that are being charged will be fine. With your PD charging at 25, and you've got your 65 PD4 desktop charger. So you've everything built in there, and it's a solid piece of kit, as you can see there, indicating now with the lights up on top here. So your Q-Pulse output is 5 volts at 3 amps, 9 at 2, 12 at 1.5, and 18 max each port, which is pretty good. You have different use case scenarios here. You can use either the 2 on their own or 1 of each. Everyone's different to what they've got in their bag, and of course you can use the 4 of them simultaneously. So we're just going to give you a quick demonstration now. So you want to plug in 2 separate items and let you see what it's like. I'm going to drag over a laptop here, plug it in on the bottom, and if you get this, you can see there now that we have got charging. And we're going to also pop in my Pixel 6 on the opposite side, and now you can see that that's charging up on top there as well. So that's me 2 devices charging straight away off of that, and there is no problem at all. It doesn't give you an indication on the bottom saying it's a quick charge around like that, but it does on the Chromebook, but that's just typical of Chromebook when you don't use the original charger. This is just for demonstration purposes. So that's basically it there and what it's all about. As I said, you can charge 4 devices at one go. It's up to yourself what you want to do. It's a pretty nice bit of kit. It's small, so it's portable, and you do get this plug. You will need to get one of these adapters, by the way, as it's come to us in this format here with this plug, so it's up to yourself what you want to do. Most people have them lying around the house anyway. But that's basically it for the KOVOL power brick and your charging mate. Pretty nice piece of kit, and that's it for now. We'll leave a link below to where you can pick her up, and thanks for watching.